Hello friends. Introduction to Catia. What is Catia? Catia, computer aided three-dimensional interactive application, is a multi-platform software suite for CAD, CAM, CAE, 3D modeling, PLM, and this software developed by French company Dassault System. This is the Catia workspace and these all are tools. We will work on it. How to open Catia software? Method 1. Click twice left button of the mouse on Catia app. Then Catia workspace will open. Please refer this video. How to open Catia software? Method 2. Click once right button of the mouse on Catia app. A dialog box will appear. Then open by clicking left button of the mouse once. Then Catia workspace will open. Please refer this video.